Learn Excel from Mr. Excel Podcast, episode 2097. Split delimited text to new rows. Hey, welcome back to the Mr. Excel Netcast. I'm Bill Jelen. I was just in Sarasota, Florida doing a Power Excel seminar, and before the seminar starts, I walk around and talk to the folks who were there, and Dustin had his Excel 2016 open. He was ready to show me something that just threw me for a loop. He says he has, in his case, he had 8 columns of data, and right in the middle, there was this column that had anywhere from 1 to 15 values separated by semicolons. And Dustin says he wants, anytime that there's a semicolon, he wants to generate a new row. All the other columns will stay exactly the same, but he wants, in this case, 1, 2, 3 rows to pop out from this, right? And I'm like, oh, wow, this is going to be tough. I'm trying to think of the macro that I can write to do it. Maybe use data text to columns out here and then have a macro to loop through or something like that. But for whatever reason, I said, well, maybe somehow Power Query would be able to do this. All right, and luckily for us, and for Dustin, he was in Excel 2016. Now, if you're not in Excel 2016, if you're in 2013 or 2010, using Excel on Windows, you can go download Power Query. And we're going to see we're going to get data from a file. I actually copied the data out to a new workbook, the DustinExample. Click Import. And Power Query is going to ask me which sheet to use. And I'm going to say that I want to edit that data. All right, that all looks good. Right here, this is our thing where we want to split the column, right? And so I just said, well, let's see what's in here. Split by delimiter. And the first thing I noticed is they already figured out that the delimiter is a semicolon, right? This never used to happen, but it's happening now. Even if it's a delimiter that's other or custom, they're getting it right? Which is cool. This dialog box already has this awesome split once at the leftmost or rightmost delimiter that I wish Excel had. And now it's gotten smart and that it'll split by semicolon. And then, check this out, advanced options. And I can split into rows. This is just freaking amazing. All right, so right there, invoice transaction 1001, which was 1 row, is now 3 rows. All the information, the order date, the quantity, the name of the product, the ship method, all gets copied. And it just works. 1002 had 2 items, 1003, 3 items, and then 1004, without any semicolons, it just stays as its original row. I'm like, holy smokes, I never knew that Power Query would do that. And then I got home and I downloaded the latest edition of Office 365, and you click the what's new. Well, one of the things that was new is this very feature. I'm like, holy smokes, that is an amazing, amazing thing. Lucky for us that that new update to Power Query came out just probably weeks before I showed up in Sarasota, and Dustin had this problem. All right, Dustin has a column with 1 to 16 values separated by a semicolon. There are 8 columns total in the data. He wants the semicolons separated into rows. The May 26, 17 update to Power Query adds the ability to split a column 2 rows. An amazing, amazing feature. Well, I want to thank Dustin and everyone in Sarasota for being at my seminar, and I want to thank you for stopping by. We'll see you next time for another Netcast from Mr. Excel.